Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use password manager securely. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use your password manager securely, then you need to create basically a very strong and unique password. So once you've simply selected very strong unique master passphrase, you need to enable multi-factor authentication, that is two-factor authentication as well, and use the built-in generator for every account. You need to regularly update the software, avoid reusing your password, and set a low auto lock timeout. Never store your master password digitally and delete your exported CSV files immediately. So if you're going to do this, then you can simply use your password manager securely. You can simply generate random passwords and use it, as well as remember that password. And you need to be aware of phishing as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.